Welcome back to Business is Boundless in Kern County. I'm Richard Chapman, President and CEO of the Kern Economic Development Corporation, and with us now is Grace Wang, Program Manager of the Stratolaunch Company. So I know your company was founded in 2011. You build the world's largest airplane over a football field wide wingspan.
Yeah, 385 feet.
And we have a little replica here today, much smaller. But tell us about your company and especially the role in the hypersonic ecosystem.
Yeah, so Stratolaunch is now a hypersonic technology accelerator. But we didn't always start out that way. Stratolaunch was founded in 2011 by Paul Allen, and the original objective was to carry and launch really big rockets, like 500,000-pound rockets, into space with payloads. Paul Allen sadly died. Stratolaunch was acquired by Cerberus in 2019, and there was an urgent need for hypersonic technology development. So Stratolaunch our focus was redirected to being that technology accelerator.
So tell me a little bit more about the testing process.
Yeah, testing is super important because analysis can only get you so far, and testing is where the rubber meets the road and you find out the real results. So it's important to get into a realistic hypersonic environment, and it's difficult to do that on the ground. For example, with wind tunnels, you can get there, but some of the things you can't simulate. So that's why getting into the actual hypersonic flight environment with the vehicle going actually hypersonic, that's the real deal. And so that's what Stratolaunch provides. We provide flight test services. So we use our Talon A vehicle, which Stratolaunch designed and built, and now we're testing. That Talon A vehicle takes other people's payloads, sensors, materials, anything that they want to test. They're not sure what it'll do at hypersonic speeds, so we carry their payloads, we go fly at the hypersonic environment, and then the customers get the data that they need to develop their technologies quickly.
And so we know Mach 5 is about 385,000 miles an hour.
Yes, yeah, hypersonic speed is intense.
And I know, in terms of your hiring, your company's growing by leaps and bounds. So talent is so important, and I know you're a great partner with us in the high school district on our Career in STEM Expo, as well as the East Kern Expo with the Kern Superintendent School. So tell me, what are some recent developments beside, I know CSUB has partnered with Antelope Valley College on computer tech programs to help provide the workforce of the future. What other initiatives are out there that we should know about?
So yeah, as the need for hypersonic testing increases, we'll need to staff up and increase our infrastructure to support our operations. So for example, we just bought the 747 from Virgin Orbit.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, now we've added an airplane to our now growing fleet. So we bought that airplane because there was more demand signal for flights from customers than Rock could sustain by itself. So it doesn't replace Rock, just supplements Rock. And we want to support our global customers too. So now we've got a new airplane, we'll be putting a new pylon on it, and as the tempo of our flights increases, we will need to staff up. So
what can we expect in 2024, 2025? We're dying to know.
So recently we tested our Talon A1 vehicle, TA1. It was the first time that we carried live propellant aboard on the Vandenberg range, so working out our communications with the range, trying to get out to that hypersonic flight environment. So we're buying down the risk to make sure that the flight goes successfully and that we get as much useful data for our customers as possible on that first powered flight. The key milestone we're getting to is the first powered flight of TA1. And so assuming that all goes well, we're still preparing our TA2 vehicle, which is our first reusable hypersonic vehicle. TA1 was not reusable, so TA2 will be flown in the second half of this year. And assuming we recover that, we also have a TA3 vehicle, and then we'll get into a flight cadence of alternating flights between TA2 and TA3 so we can support the many customers we've got waiting in the queue. We've also got a flight of our 747 with a new pylon in the second half of this year too, so lots of exciting things to look forward to.
Well, we're very proud to have your company in our county and growing in our county, and you do a phenomenal job of promoting these successes on LinkedIn and other social media. So where would we go to find out more with the website, more in terms also careers? We're very proud of you hiring local people.
Yes, please. We're always looking for talent. So careers.stratolaunch.com is where you should go to look at our career page.
Well, thanks for joining us today, Grace. And thank you again. And remember, business is truly boundless in Kern County.